Welcome to the channel. Today I want to get into some of the movements I've been making today in the stock market so that you can actually take these experiences for yourself and kind of dissect them, do your own research and see what's working and what's not, and try to mimic what's working out there in the stock market so you can get some gains yourself. If you're new to the channel, do your boy a favor, press that subscribe button and comment down below if you like this video. But other than that, let's jump straight into it. So today, the big investment I did today was at Graf Industrial stock. So Graf is, let me look it up here. Graf is actually a merger stock. Merger stocks are actually pretty popular right now. There's a lot of hype around the merger stocks, and as you can see, let me see if there's today's volume somewhere. No, I don't see it. But as you can see, today jumped 50%. Now I got in, I think, around 40%, probably around 19 or so, something around, yeah. I got in around here, so I'm already up. And it went up to 10% and dropped back down, but that's how the stock market game plays. So just a little bit about this company. If you scroll down, Graf Industrial Corp common stock is a blank check company which engages in effecting a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination with one or more businesses. So basically, this company is located in Houston, Texas, was founded 2018, 2 years ago, with the sole purpose of acquiring a company or reorganizing a company. Now, there's some news. Let's see if I could find it down here. It's not here, but there was some news that came out about this company merging with a gaming company next week on Thursday. So ever since the news hit, it started going up. It was yesterday, just yesterday, July 1st, at the time of this video, it was at a little less than $14, and now it's all the way up to $20. That's an 80% gain in a week. It used to be $11, $12, and now it's to $20 a share. And that's insane. Just imagine investing $10,000 a week ago, and now you have $18,000. That's literally $8,000 in like 7 days. It's definitely possible, but you definitely want to make sure you're staying safe with your money and you're making smart investments and not educated gambles. There's a big difference. Usually gambling, I would say educated gambling is more like short selling, but you really want to invest in companies. If you want to stay safe, you want to invest in companies that you can see long-term potential in. And these merger stocks, I feel like there's a potential in these companies because they're starting off very small and they're merging with companies to make more money. And you're going to have to do your own research on this specifically. I just briefly looked over it today and just invested in it. The volume is pretty low. I expect that if a lot of people start pouring into this stock, if there's a lot more YouTube videos about this stock, then it might become another Nikolai Motors. But definitely let me know what you think about this company down in the comments. But some of my other plays today was I sold Rite Aid because I don't feel like it's going anywhere. ARK Invest, Tesla stock has been going crazy. An ARK Invest ETF is an ETF that has apparently a big stake in Tesla and believes Tesla is going to go to $15,000, I think, by the year 2025. So if you're buying at $1,000, that's a 15x on your money in 5 years, which is huge. So just take any money you would invest and multiply it by 15, and that's where they predict on their Super Bull run Tesla stock. So I believe Tesla is going to go up. I don't know about that high or like when. So I invested in that ETF. I also have shares in Tesla. I also invested in New Skim. It's an online business platform, it seems like. And they are just doing tremendous with the whole lockdown and stuff like that. Also bought more Genius because it's really low. And some Plug Power. If let's go into Plug Power. I also bought Neo just real quick before we go into Plug Power and IRO, which I'll talk about later. So Plug Power. Honestly, I haven't done a lot of research on Plug Power, but what I can see is from this graph, and just a brief disclaimer: I'm no CPA. I'm kind of like a, I would say, a decent beginner investor. I started back in January, so I have a little bit of experience, but I have been making profit ever since. So I'm a little bit past the, just getting started as a beginner. But looking at this graph, 1 week ago, it's been up 25%. 1 month ago, it's up over 100%. And 3 months ago, this stock has been going crazy. And this down here just gives you a little bit of what it's about. I'm not going to read it again. Definitely pause the video if you want to read that, or hop on your Robinhood app. But Robinhood is awesome because every now and then they'll give you like news articles on what the stock is doing. And if it's doing well, then if news articles are coming out and they're positive, then you know that this stock is probably going to go up. It looks like they missed some of their earnings right here, so that's not necessarily a good thing at all. But it didn't really have an effect on the stock market. Looks like it was down after hours, but that was only a little bit. So I bought into Plug Power. I believe, how much did I buy? I bought in $700 worth of Plug Power. I'm going to let this one sit. It seems like it's a good stock to hold. I've been straying away from buying, trying to invest short term, and been trying to invest more long term stocks. So let's go back into the IRO. There's a lot of people out there that's saying 80%, or Graham Stephan specifically, 80% of people that day trade lose most of their money. So I feel like that is true, because when I was day trading, I felt like I only gained like 15%, while Apple and Amazon, their stock was up 15% over the month. So if you just find a good company and leave your money in it, it's going to be easier for you. You do less work and you don't really have to worry about it if you just leave it there. All right, so let's jump into this stock, IRO. So I don't know how to pronounce this stock, but IRO engages in the design of compact electric fleet solutions. That's a buzzword right now, electric. There's a lot of hype around electric stocks for use within urban and short haul markets. That's another buzz phrase right there, with the hype from Workhorse. It offers the IRO 311 and Club Car 411 models. The company was founded, 2016, 4 years ago, and headquarters in Texas. So this is a company that I believe, is probably going to go up. I think if you look down here, it shows you similar companies or companies that also bought. I didn't do much research at all in this company, except for looking at their graph and their trajectory, and it looks healthy, except for when it first IPO'd. This is a fairly new stock, and the volume is pretty low. But this is a stock that I didn't really research, that I wanted to research, and you could tell by how much money I put into it. I didn't really put much money into it at all, but I think I just bought it. I just bought it yesterday, and it's already up $10. It's already up 20%, 20% gains. So just imagine if I would have put $10,000 into it, then I would be up like $2,000 already, which I wish I kind of did that. You can't win all of them. It's kind of hard to guess the market. So really what I found over the past 6, 7 months is you know, I'm gonna start playing it safe with a lot of these companies like Apple, Amazon, and the companies I truly believe in. Because, like I was saying earlier, it's up almost 15% over the month, and over the year, it's up 80%. If you drop down $10,000 12 months ago and it's up 80%, then you would have $18,000. And that's $8,000. That's almost doubling your money in 12 months. And I think that's good enough for me. If you double your money every single year and you keep adding to it, I think you're going to be well over your head in savings in your account. So that's pretty much it for today. Let me know what stocks you guys are looking out for today. Let me know what stocks you guys are actually looking forward to for next week. And don't forget to smash that like button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.